CleverCards is a platform that allows users to create and send personalized digital cards for various occasions. To use CleverCards, sign up or log in. Download the CleverCards app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Sign up for an account or log in if you already have one. Browse card options. Explore the diverse selection of card templates for different occasions like birthdays, holidays, weddings, and more. Customize your card. Choose a card template and personalize it by adding photos, messages, stickers, and other customizations. Edit the text, font, color, and layout to suit your preferences. Add recipient details. Enter the recipient's name and email or mobile number to send the card. Some cards allow scheduling for future delivery. Send your card. Review your personalized card and ensure everything looks perfect. Once satisfied, click Send to deliver the card digitally to your recipient. Track delivery. CleverCards often provides options to track the delivery status of your sent cards and notifies you when the recipient opens the card. Share the joy. Your recipient receives a notification to view the personalized digital card and can easily share it with others or save it.